Our journey of change began about 4 years ago when we decided to transform our teaching practice by creating specialised learning areas. These were inspired by the pukinga and hiahiatanga of our kaiako.
We had this dream and a vision about the child being the kaihautu o te waka, directing the learning, and we knew that our roles as the teachers, we were the elements that needed to come down and enhance the children's learning. It's about giving them as many learning possibilities, as many magic moments in their little lives so that they can go on, and they're sparked for life. You know, I just say make it magic for our little people. The maunga is significant, not just for the tamariki, for the teachers.
And so we developed Toi Hangarau, which is the numeracy, literacy, research and construction area. Auahatanga, arts and creativity. Toi Mōrearea, outdoor exploration and adventure. And Kapahaka.
So we've created a really professional practice. Every kaiako hui, what they're studying, they're sharing it back with our teachers, and so we've created like a centre of research.
Every day we have professional development for myself and as a team, because we come in and we work collaboratively. We learn from the children, but for me it's about strengthening. Part of my professional development here has been strengthening my te reo. Also working collaboratively alongside other teachers who have different expertise. Kind of it's like a strength, I would say, a strength-based approach.
We're a community of learners, a community of researchers, and that's dropped onto our tamariki, which you'll see embedded in our curriculum is that they are 3- and 4-year-olds and they're already learning to research.
We view all our tamariki as leaders, and it's up to us to observe them and see what area that they excel in, and then we extend it, enrich them in those areas.
Well, Hivani she's the youngest of 4 children, and so the rangatira program gives her a chance to be the rangatira and not the pepe of the whānau. It's expected that you won't just stay at one level, that you will go up and up and up, and so there's been no limit to her learning. So through that she's been able to excel because there were no boundaries on her. It's bigger than times tables and writing your name and all of that. Like, you know, when she stands up on stage, you know, and they do their kapahaka or mōtiete, and, you know, hearing the passion in her voice and things like that, like, it's hard for me not to break down and cry, because it's like, wow, that's my daughter, and, you know, that's all the hard work that these, you know, every kaiako here has put into her.
By the time they head along to school, they're here to uplift this. They've got mana. You can see them, they've got mana, they've got pride, they've got confidence. That's what I love about seeing our children come and seeing them go.